Boss Ramon Ang, simple nga lang ba talaga? Mga mayaman, hindi ba talaga branded ang mga gamit? Does that mean na may karapatan ka na bang umasta tulad nila? Hindi ka pa ultra rich. Huwag kang mag-t-shirt. Hindi ka si Ramon Ang. Wala kang karapatang umastang big boss with how you dress. Anong pakiramdam, haharap ka sa isang client mo kasi meron kang small business and you look underdressed. Tingin mo pagkakatiwalaan ka ni client? Hi, this is Migs, and let's turn your situation to life coaching lessons. I wanna put context sa interview ni Boss Ramon Ang.
Ang problema sa mga kababayan natin, tingnan mo, kahit nakatira lang sa barong-barong, gusto nila branded yung mga damit nila.
Isa sa mga top billionaires ng Pilipinas na siyang may-ari ng San Miguel Corporation. Ang sabi niya, huwag maging magarbo. Tama naman iyon. Hindi mo kailangan isigaw ang pera mo. Hindi mo kailangan maging arugante. But do not think for a second na ang gamit nila mura lang. Mahal yun, no? Ang tawag dyan, quiet luxury. Ito yung mga t-shirt na suot nila Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Gates at Ramon Ang na walang brand kunwari pero branded. Ito yung kunwari simple but those na totoong mayaman, they know. Example, itong gray t-shirt ni Mark Zuckerberg, 20,000 pesos yan. Kaya wag mo ko magamit-gamitan ng si Ramon Ang nga, napakasimpleng damit lang. T-shirt lang, therefore ako rin. Kapag pupunta ako sa mga events, dapat t-shirt lang. Hoy, yung t-shirt ng mga yon, mahal. Hindi yun yung t-shirt na suot mo ngayon. Ito daw kasi ang sabi nila, poor people aspire to live like rich. Sila yung they would rather be poor just to look rich. Bumibili ng branded na ilang buwang sweldo ang kapalit. And then, middle class aspires to belong. Ito yung flaunt everywhere. Nagfe-flex not to express, but to impress. Not that it's wrong, but it's the reality. However, sabi nila, rich people aspire to look simple. Pero, wag kang magpalinlang. Yung simple farm living nila, sila yung may-ari ng least 1 hectare land minimum. Yung simple t-shirt, maliit na logo or no logo man yan, mahal yang mga yan. Hindi ka pa ultra rich. Huwag kang mag-t-shirt. Hindi ka si Ramon Ang. Wala kang karapatang umastang big boss with how you dress. 55% of building trust is likability based on how you look. Anong pakiramdam, haharap ka sa isang client mo kasi meron kang small business and you look underdressed. Tingin mo pagkakatiwalaan ka ni client? You still need to build an impression. I'm not saying go branded. I'm not saying mag-flex-flex ka dyan. I'm not saying isigaw mo yung brand. No. All I'm saying is dress well. Dress prepared. In a business meetup, you can never go overdressed. But you can be underdressed. It's better to leave a first good impression rather than change someone's perception because you did not prepare enough. That's why suggestion ko, still dress the way you want to be treated. You can never demand respect if you don't show that you're worthy of it.